That being said, let's dive a little bit deeper into the aspects. So, as mentioned, one of the key challenges for EV charging operators is managing various pricing models for different customer types. Whether the customer prefers a fixed monthly fee or pay-as-you-go, which is based on the consumption. So, for example, if we have an office complex, for example, yes, and employees may be offered a subscription model for unlimited charging, while visitors or guests may prefer to pay based on the actual use at the charging station. Now, this type of flexibility is ensured that each type of customer gets charged fairly. Here, we're talking about business to business because, as I mentioned before, it was related to the electrical vehicle driver and the pricing for this type of customer. But in CPO, we also have billing to other businesses that order the services of a charging station. So for those businesses, we also have a type of scenarios, which is firstly a monthly fee, where the CPO offers a consistent monthly fee for station management services or maintenance fees. We also have a rate per kilowatt, when the CPO will charge the business on actual electricity consumed on that station, meaning if the business did not consume any electricity in a specific billing period, the business will not be charged. We have hybrid billing models, which is an approach that combines the fixed monthly fee and the rate per kilowatt. We have tier pricing. So CPO may also implement a tiered pricing structure, and it's based on usage level. For example, if a business uses a certain amount of electricity, he will benefit from lower rates until a certain threshold. And we have customized billing plans because, as we know, B2B, we can see a lot of different pricing structures and specific requirements. For example, offering discounts on off-peak hours. Moving on to partner management. So as I mentioned before, in CPO, we have many parties involved in these scenarios. We can see partnership between the CPO, the energy providers, investor, and site hosts, like shopping mall or an office building. Imagine we have a large shopping mall where the investor provided some of the capital needed for the installation of charging station. So while the mall owner contributes the land, the CPO manages day-to-day operation, and this partnership requires clear agreement on revenue sharing and usage tracking. So the system should track all charging sessions and does revenue sharing and calculation between all parties, between the investor, the mall owner, and the CPOs. Transparency. Also, it's very important to ensure that we are transparent with our partners, with the customers. For instance, when an electrical vehicle driver charges on network that is not their primarily provider, which is, I'm talking a little bit about roaming, which we will soon get to. The revenue must be shared between the two operators. Okay, and the system needs to ensure that this process is done in the correct way, with clear records showing how much revenues should be split between the two networks who provide the charging services. And process automation, especially when the EV charging network scales. We need to have automation in place, because imagine a network with hundreds of charging stations. So instead of manually processing each transaction, an automated system would ensure that charging sessions are recorded correctly, validated, and billed accurately. This will not only save time, but improve the accuracy of the billing process and reduce the risk of human error. And last but not least, we have reporting. So it's very important to utilize analytic tools to enable the operators and the partners to get an informed decision, yes, based on the comprehensive data insights that we get. Because an operator, for example, yes, may notice that most of their charging session happen during peak hours. Now, using this data, they can introduce discount rates for off-peak hours to encourage customer to charge at less busy times, and as a result, it will reduce the congestion at the station.